Home goalie on. What does that mean? I don't know, but whatever.
Lots of hockey played here. Settled yet, so we go to a shootout. This is the leadoff of the shootout. A wonderful save at the goal crease.
Remix of
for the goaltender, it's all
really
watching the speed of the shooter, and he answered the bell. Morello's first for his.
But like, let's score. Oh, they missed.
He saved the goal.
Aw. Wait, I'm not playing as the goalie right now. It's really weird.
Lindholm's ready.
Why can't I play the goalie? Am I? Oh yeah, I am.
Meant nothing. Still tied.
What a save!
Wonderful.
I am playing. Okay, duh. Almost peaked it. God damn it. Come on, for John Cena. For John! Holy shit.
You want to be in that situation. Put the pressure. But he did not in.
Oh, come on.
Ward's ability to
Oh.
an outstanding save. Lundqvist has kept big save. It didn't work. All goalies so far. Will it continue? And he missed it. He put the pressure on the other. He guaranteed
come on, Steph.
that opportunity again.
Oh.
Magnificent. His team a huge opportunity coming up.
Uh-oh. No, he scored.
Yandel's got the puck. He knows he's got to score.
No, hit the iron.
Over. A shot off.
Oh my god. Rematch.
Someone has to go first.
Come on.
This is the Doc.
Got some time before the game starts, so let's do it.
You know what, Doc? You want your goaltender to stay with the shooter? That's exactly
Okay, come
what
on,
happened
Zeke.
there.
This is...
A wonderful
Yeah, I don't know what
save
to
at
do
the goal
anymore.
crease. Second round, first shooter scored tied. How good are these hands? Oh, what a club he's got there.
No.
Score!
Yes! There you go. Oh, that's celebration buttons. Yeah.
Score!
Oh, God. Well, they might need to fix that part.
No goal on this one.
What happened?
That's what those
Good
pads
save,
are
good
for. Great job to pass away. If he scores, the heat goes to the enemy. Wonderful save.
Good save.
Well,
I think that was Jordan's.
there, Doc. This is the shot that can be the winner. Outstanding save by the goalie. Ainsley's got it. He could put on a ton of pressure here. No!
Oh, wow.
What a missed opportunity there, Doc. They had a chance to put all the pressure on the other side. If a red light flashes, this is done. Score!
That went in. That went in. Get up. Get up. That's actually a sick shot. Look at where that went. I mean, he did literally all the space. Just look at that. Wait. Off the iron and in, and just popped right out. I love those shots. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. We still have some time to spare.
Terrific pad save. To the bottom of the first. And here is the first shooter. Score!
Yeah. Oh, what a move! Oh my god, we're wrecking it. Come on, let's do it. Wait, don't jinx anything. Oh god. That's annoying. What was he doing exactly? I don't really know.
Oh, after that great save, Doc, the reaction from the bench was
I'm up
outstanding.
2-1.
He scores!
And he scores.
It's over.
It's over. And it's only 6:55. Each game is literally a minute. This is actually really fun. We're doing one more. We're doing one more. This game is so fun.
What a save!
What a save.
No,
Nice.
what happened there? It is pressure to be the first guy
come on.
chosen, even if you're not first overall.
Oh.
Score!
Score! Get up. It's the same move.
Second round.
This is actually
first
fun.
hitter. Can he tie it up? Wonderful save to the pass.
And his name is John Cena. Dun, 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 dun.
That great move there. He's been perfecting for a long time. He made that look
And his
easy.
name is John Cena. His name is John
A
Cena.
wonderful save at the goal crease. Lundqvist's
Getting
ability
tight. One more
to
goal and
gauge
it's
the speed
over.
of the shooter
One
really
more
was
goal
key
and
in
it's
that
over.
save, Doc. A high shot off the mark.
Could have ended it, but didn't. This could end it.
He saved the goal.
He ends it.
And he saved his team.
And it's 6:56. This is literally the last one.
Eric Stahl's the #1
Sorry, this game
shooter.
is so fun.
Wonderful save. Oh no, he doesn't score. Here is the first answer in the shootout.
Rudy.
Outstanding save
Didn't
by the
work this
goalie.
time. The
As a
goalie's starting to
goaltender,
get
Doc,
used
you
to
have
it.
to understand
Now
the
that we've
speed of
played
the
each other in
shooter.
shootout
That's exactly
about
what
4
happened
times.
there. An
How did he not
outstanding
score?
save.
I got fooled there, but it's it.
That was
Oh, you don't do
magnificent.
slaps.
Shooter tried to beat the goaltender
Slap
with that
shots.
quick release, but
You
he
don't do
was
slap
denied.
shots. Come on, slap shots are not good. Not in shooting.
He got his glove
Ooh,
on
what a
that
save.
one. Score!
He scored. Get up. How did I save that?
Lundqvist has kept his team in this game with that big save.
If I could score one more, it's over.
No,
how do you
he
miss?
has failed.
You know what? Just to make it interesting,
He scores a tremendous pressure goal.
wow, how did
We
they score
continue.
that?
Stepan's got this
Can't
chance
score.
to win it. Terrific opportunity, but it's off the
Shoot,
mark.
I just put
Looked
myself
like
in
to
a
me,
really
Doc,
bad
he felt the
situation.
pressure. He had a chance to
Uh-oh.
tighten the screws, but he failed.
I just want to make it more
A
interesting, but okay,
wonderful
I saved
save
it.
at the goal crease.
Let's
It
score
only
right now,
weighs
let's score
5
right now.
ounces, but it
Come on,
is the game
Yensters.
on his
Come on,
stick right
Yensters.
here.
He puts it
Won the
away.
game. The shootout's over.
In what we'll call an overtime shootout. Okay, I think that's enough. It's 6:58. Gate. Thank you guys for watching that quick game. Clearly the Rangers are better, but it's not going to go to shootout. It's not jinx myself, but yeah, it's just